Okay, so we are starting from exercise 11b, question 1, part A and B. We'll be solving these two questions in today's class, A and B. So we have to find the unknown angles. Unknown angles means we have to find this A and this B. So for finding A and B, if you look over here, if we see, I have told you कि opposite angles are equal, means this angle which is angle C will be equals to angle B. So for that, if you see, opposite angles will be equal. Now if you see A and B, this A and 54 is on some angle. ठीक है, it is divided into two parts. When it is divided into two parts, if you see, ये पूरा एंगल कितने का होता है? इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर कि इफ़ इट इज़ अ सिंपल रेक्टेंगल, सो उसके ऑल द एंगल्स आर इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. व्हेन ऑल द एंगल्स आर इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री एंड सम एंगल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, तो व्हेन वी विल ऐड बोथ ऑफ देम इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. सो सिमिलरली हियर यू विल से a प्लस 54 equals to 90 degree because it is a complementary angle. So A is equals to 90 minus 54. When you minus A 90 from 54, your answer will be 36. Okay, so the value of A is 36. Now we know that because there is a line, if you remember, I have told you when vertically opposite line are there, means A and B will be equal. So angle A is equals to angle B. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So when A is equals to B, so A is 36, so B will also be 36. So this is the solution of this part. Then coming to this second part, which is part B. If you see part B, we have two unknowns, which is C, D and C. So now we have to find D and C. Okay, if you see, we have two triangles. One triangle is here and second triangle is here. So if we see here, for applying the formula of triangle, which is all the three angles, sum of all the three angles equals to 180, we need to have three values. But for three values, if we see the second triangle, we have only D and 78. There is no other value. But if we see triangle 1, we have C degree, 39 degree, and there is one more angle. We know that when there is no angle given and it is a right angle, so it will be equals to 90 degree. So we will write over here, it is also given A, so E. So considering triangle EBC, it gives C degree plus 39 degree plus 90 degree equals to 180. So 39 plus 90 will be 129 equals to 180. So C degree equals to 180 minus 129. So C degree equals to 51. So the value of C is 51. Now if you see, this C and this D are vertically opposite angle. Why? Because two lines are cutting each other. They are vertically opposite angles. So you can directly write angle C is equals to angle D. So angle D equals to 51 degree. ठीक है, you can write this also, or if you want to do the whole solution, this can be done. This can be one solution. The second solution can be, if you see that this is 39. When we did over here, A plus 59 equals to 90 degrees. So we can also see कि we can find out this angle by subtracting this from 90. So I can write 90 minus 39. 90 minus 39 equals to 51. ठीक है, now I can write this 51 over here, means this angle is 51. So I can write from the triangle D plus 78, considering triangle 2, which is this triangle, D plus 78, this angle which we have find out right now, plus 51 equals to 180. So D plus 129 equals to 180. So the answer will be 51 again. So this is also correct and this is also correct. Okay class, so you have to do this in your copy. Complete this question in your notebooks. Okay, see you all in the next class.